Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Portugal. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Portugal is a country located mostly on the Iberian Peninsula. Portugal is a developed and high-income country, with transport and tourism both playing a major role. Agriculture, fisheries, electronic and machinery industries, the energy and services sector, and the financial markets all contribute to the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as newer traders continue to enter the markets each day, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Portugal and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Portugal. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. At number 4 is FXPro. FXPro is an online fully regulated financial broker founded in 2006 with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FXPro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CYSEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FXPro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, futures, energies, and shares. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FXPro CTrader, and the FXPro Trading Platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a CTrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic, and demo accounts. FXPro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXPro. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 2 is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Portugal, we have IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG Markets offers only 2 types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own IG Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Portugal on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.